Guys, I'm doing today's video. I'm gonna voice over another Scooby Toy episode. I just uploaded another one, which is episode 72, so you should check that out first before watching this video. But let's get started. By the way, just a quick moment, I won't voice over some characters, so yeah. What's up, man? Good job. Tank cameraman repairs. So, we're doing good so far. What's that? Wait! I'm brave. Oh, the camera's set up?
Dave, you back?
No, I'm good.
Aww.
Okay, we're all set.
We need to do that after. Thumbs up.
Opening the gate.
Well, now it's time to fight. Come on. Kick. Get back. Get dodge. Make for plunger, cameraman. No. Shut up. Get out. Freak. I'll help you. Oh, wait. Sorry. Here. Thank you. Wait. Bet. Aimball time. Activate. Wait. I'm so sorry. What's up, madam? You ready to get killed? Wait. No, that's not him. Run! Sub scientist, totally. Yeah, baby! Yeah! Hi, me TV woman. Get ready for the next one. Aw, man. That's not you, scientist. No, that's not him. Man, poor scientist. Wait! Oh, that is... Sup, man? Wait! Whoa! Wait! How dare you? Who are you? What's up? Time to get destroyed forever. Sup? Nowhere to run now, buddy. Fools. You have no idea what's coming. Whatever is coming, you won't able to survive to see it. Now, fight us! And get yourself one thing. 是他也是。Take his orb. Hey, stop blasting me, man. Womp womp. Oh yeah, bet. Take this. Not my laser. Take this. Nuh-uh, that won't work on me. Bet. Dodge, weave. No. My guy missed. Broke his damage and stuff. Wait. Joking. Wait. Don't you dare attack. Wait. Get headbutt. Come on, Parasite. Wait. Time to fight. We got people. Get this sword. Man, seriously. You're mine. Wait. Hello. Get out. Time to die. Wait, no, my arm. Wait. Take this. No, that won't work on me. Totally. Oh, yes. Wait. Get out, you demon. No, I'm so sorry, man. Wait. Time to bite your legs off. Wait, you need me. Wait, no. Please. I will survive. Take this. Are you freaking serious? Time to get them. The demon! What happened, Titan Man? My leg! Come on, Speaker Man. Our jetpacks don't work anymore. I was sorting. Yo, what's up, TV man? Yes. No, my arm. Oh, thank you. Who was it? Hey, what's up? But that was easy. Boring. I wonder what's happening over here. What's that? Let's get ready. Yes. Get punched. Take the puncher back. There's a human? Huh? Wait!
It's not one of them.
Are you?
You're an ally.
Right?
Right?
Thumbs up. Yes, I am. Now get out here now. Well, that's all for today's video. See you!